Hi everybody, it's Mr. Duclos from 2C at Citizenship Academy. It is April 28th. Today we are going to be working on repeated addition using groupings to help us solve those problems. It's a little bit of a review of what Miss Daniels taught, and it should make things a little bit easier hopefully. You're going to need a piece of paper and a pencil so that you can follow along. Please go get those right now and then come back when you're ready. So with Miss Daniel, what you did was you saw groups, and then you used those groups to make a repeated addition equation. What we're going to do is we're going to start with a repeated addition equation and then make those groups to make it easier. So let's jump in with our first problem. 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. So I'm going to first draw my picture with my different groups of it. I have one group of 2. 1, 2. I have a second group of 2. 1, 2. I have a third group of 2. And I have a fourth group of 2. So now our repeated addition problem of 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 is drawn out in picture form. See, we have 2, 2, 2, and 2. Then if we know our math facts and we're quick, we can do this math in our head. We have 2, 4, 6, 8. So therefore, 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 is 8. But if you're not quite there yet, if you're not at a place where you can do that in your head, using the pictures, we can very easily count. We have 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And once again, our answer is 8. So when looking at repeated addition, we can use our drawing not only to help us understand the problem and really know what they're asking, but also to solve it. All right, let's move on to our second question. So our second question is 5 plus 5 plus 5. So again, I'm going to draw my groups. We have a group of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have a second group of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we have a third group of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And again, it's 5 plus 5 plus 5. So these are the same thing. 5 plus 5 plus 5 and these three groups. Those are the same thing. So now we can we can use those to help us solve the problem. So either we can try and do some quick maths in our head. 5 plus 5 is 10. And then if you add one more 5, it's 15. Or if you're not quite there yet, and that's okay, you will be, we can count. We start at 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So either way, our answer comes out to 15. What I really like about drawing out your repeated addition is that not only can it help you solve the problem and really make it easier, but it helps you understand what's being asked. Because if you can draw the picture, you can come up with the number sentence just as easily. All you have to do is copy your picture into number sentence. And if all you have is the number sentence, you can draw a picture. They work together. They're like a team. And that's something that I really love about it. Okay, that ends our math lesson. go please take the quiz now. And when you're done, make sure that you're doing your 30 minutes of iReady. 30 minutes of iReady is one of the best ways for us to stay sharp and prepared for third grade. If you're having any trouble logging into iReady, please contact your teacher and they will be happy to help. All right, I'll see you later. Goodbye.